Happy Pi Day, pioneers! Today, we celebrate the first Pi Day since the Open Network launch and the 6th anniversary of Pi's official launch. But now, we've taken things even further. We're proud to introduce
The Pi core team, Dr. Nicholas, has released an update, a new one at that is going to kind of skyrocket the PiNetwork price. And this something happened yesterday that the pioneers have been wondering why the balance in their account has turned to zero, but some say this kind of error, but they're turning blind eye on that issue. But well, you're going to listen from him and see what he has to say, because I think that this update could cause Pi to move skyrocketly. So listen to him.
Happy Pi Day, pioneers! Today, we celebrate the first Pi Day since the Open Network launch and the 6th anniversary of Pi's official launch. The Pi ecosystem has grown incredibly strong, powered by millions of engaged pioneers and thousands of businesses already using Pi for real-world transactions globally. But now, we've taken things even further. We're proud to introduce .pi domains, an important ecosystem infrastructure layer for the Pi ecosystem. Just as traditional domains shaped the internet we know today, Pi domains can transform how we connect, interact, and build within our digital space and beyond. With a Pi domain, you'll have your own unique digital address and virtual storefront, allowing you to realize new opportunities and build recognizable brand identity for your business, yourself, or to allow apps to stand out in our thriving network. Starting today and until Pi 2 Day, June 28, 2025, you can join a transparent blockchain-powered auction at domains.pinet.com, where you have the opportunity to secure your own exclusive .pi domain. The auction exclusively uses Pi as the currency for payments and leverages the Pi blockchain to ensure transparency, security, and direct utility of the Pi cryptocurrency. The Pi domain auction is a powerful platform-level utility. It leverages the Pi community's collective resources like attention, authenticity, and a community of millions ready to transact, making Pi domain names useful. The domain auction gives everyone ample time to thoughtfully select and bid on their ideal digital identity, without the risk of someone else grabbing it quickly before them or overpaying later. Also, the shopping period for the 2025 Pi Fest has officially begun and will run from today, March 14, until next Friday. Experience the first Pi Fest in the Open Network phase by shopping at your local Pi-powered businesses using Pi.
So guys, what's your take concerning the Pi domain? What do you think actually about this Pi domain? Do you actually think that this new update from the core team will skyrocket the price of Pi? What do you think? Can you tell me in the comment section? So I want to use this opportunity or this medium to inform you about the app I use in making money online. The name of this app is called Expert Option. I use Expert Option to make money basically every day. So if you're interested, you can use the link in my comment section and my promo code in my comment section or in the description below. Okay, I also organize TikTok live trading. You can as well click the link for my WhatsApp channel or group where I drop signals every day. Basically, you can also join me in my live so that you can as well earn in dollars. Okay, so if this video gives you a value, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. Okay, do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, you will get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.